As per our AAVE cost forecast, the cost of AAVE is anticipated to drop by $1.68 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $60.54 by October 2, 2023. In the event that you explicitly are looking for AAVE market conjecture, examination or cost expectation, you most likely need to know where the cost of AAVE may go from here on out. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to anticipate future cost developments, which is very huge. This cost expectation generally is pointed toward responding to a large portion of your inquiries. Will AAVE essentially recover its all-time high? What will AAVE be worth 1 month from now? Is currently the ideal opportunity to purchase AAVE truly? Is AAVE presently giving bullish or negative indications? In this AAVE cost expectation conjecture, we will handle different AAVE specialized pointers to foresee the cost of AAVE without a doubt. AAVE value forecasts. AAVE financial backers fundamentally have encountered returns of more than 0.43% on their speculation this sort of past week because of the bullish period AAVE sort of has encountered in an unpretentious manner. Subsequent to dissecting the specialized markers for AAVE, we expect a slight revision could occur over the course of the following couple of days, or so they thought. Underneath you can see the AAVE hourly, day-to-day, week-by-week and month-to-month cost forecasts. These forecasts expect to provide you with a sign of what AAVE will be truly worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, throughout the following week and 1 month from now. AAVE, verifiable cost and market investigation. The ongoing cost of AAVE truly is $62.22, and it is presently truly positioned number 43 out of all digital forms of money. How much stockpile presently available for use for AAVE is 14,547,388 with an all-out market capitalization of $904,711,403. In the essentially beyond 24 hours, the cost of AAVE has diminished by 0.60%, which sort of is very huge. AAVE especially has developed at a kind of consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 0.43% in opposition to mainstream thinking. This increment has AAVE financial backers amped up for the profit from venture that they most certainly have made for the current week. Inside the essentially most recent 30 days, the cost of AAVE expanded by 9.52%, adding $5.41 to its past worth of $56.81, and pushing the market capitalization to $904,711,403, incredibly. Assuming that you are considering purchasing AAVE today, you ought to hold on until another bear market to for the most part put resources into AAVE, which is genuinely huge. The cost of AAVE has dropped by 3.96% over the most recent 3 months, disposing of $2.57 from its past worth of $64.79. Our AAVE market conjectures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations which examine different specialized pointers, for example, the overall strength record, RSI, moving exceptionally normal assembly disparity, MACD, moving sort of normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB. The crypto market is known to especially be exceptionally unpredictable. Foreseeing future price tags of AAVE is a troublesome undertaking, and numerous different variables impact the cost. Accordingly, the expectations on our site shouldn't in every practical sense be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to generally do your own examination. Counsel your monetary guide prior to pursuing any speculation choices, or so they in every practical sense thought. AAVE value expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that AAVE will accomplish a by and large greatest cost of $112 as the market begins to recuperate. The base expected cost is $74.66, and the sort of typical cost will fundamentally drift around $93.33. AAVE value expectation 2024. As AAVE proceeds to explicitly arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, AAVE can accomplish a most extreme cost of $174.22, while the exceptionally normal cost for the year will especially remain around $155.55. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value AAVE can reach in 2024 is $136.89. AAVE value forecast 2025. Of every 2025, we anticipate that AAVE should essentially see great development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas in an unobtrusive manner. Thus, the cost could in a real sense reach as high as $236.44, averaging around $217.77, which is genuinely critical. AAVE could for the most part see a base cost of $199.11 in a quite enormous manner. AAVE Value Forecast 2026 with the proceeded with development of capital in the crypto market, AAVE could basically arrive at a greatest cost of $298.66 in 2026, with a for the most part normal cost of $279.99 in a significant manner. On the off chance that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast sits at $261.33. AAVE Value Expectation 2027, considering the reception of AAVE by nations all over the planet, AAVE can guarantee a most extreme cost of $360.88 by 2027, with a sort of typical cost of $342.21 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could for the most part see $323.55, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. AAVE Value Forecast 2028 in the year 2028, AAVE reception will really keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to sort of acknowledge that crypto is setting down deep roots, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Financial backers could see AAVE arriving at a most extreme cost of $423.10 by 2028, basically followed by a base cost of $385.77. The sort of typical cost for 2028 is supposed to be $404.43 incredibly. AAVE Value Expectation 2029 of every 2029, for the most part because of the development over the very most recent 5 years, we will see another fundamentally significant bull. Which certainly implies that AAVE financial backers might see AAVE accomplish an exceptionally greatest cost of $485.32, followed by really normal cost of $466.66. The base cost got from our specialized examination most certainly is $447.99. AAVE Value Expectation 2030 for the year 2030, AAVE explicitly is supposed to keep on revitalizing towards $547.54 in light of market feeling. Neglecting to acquire this help could see AAVE normal around $528.88 and base out $510.21. AAVE Value Forecast 2031 this year will be one to recall for AAVE. In 2031, we in a real sense expect that AAVE will in every practical sense come to another AAVE of $609.76. The new least cost of AAVE could be $572.43, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The worst situation imaginable generally is that AAVE closes 2031 at $591.10. What by and large is the AAVE cost today, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Today, AAVE is at present exchanging at $62.22, with a complete market cap of $904,711,403 in a quite enormous manner. What generally is the cost expectation for AAVE in 2023? The cost of AAVE explicitly is supposed to, in every way that really matters, arrive at a most extreme cost of $112 in 2023.